Muchas gracias.
Este es mi amigo de Argentina. Yeah, bienvenido.
¿Cuándo vamos a ir a Argentina? ¿Cuándo vamos a Argentina?
Muy pronto.
Pronto.
Muy pronto yo voy a Argentina para mis vacaciones con mi amigo.
Obvio.
Sí, claro.
Obvio que sí.
Hey, cuando tú vas a Jamaica, tú vas a la playa Doctor Escape. Se llama Doctor Escape. Sí.
Doctor's Cake.
Yeah.
Correcto.
¿Dónde estamos?
Estamos en Doctor's Cake en Jamaica.
Sí, claro.
Jamaica. Y hoy, a la noche, vamos a ir a party, fiesta.
Sí.
Margarita.
Sí, en la tarde vamos a la fiesta Margarita.
Good.
Sí, con mi amigo.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Hey, cuando yo voy a Argentina, voy a inspirar de women.
She went up, Batman, she love. 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 Jamaican bamboo. This Jamaican bamboo.
Sister, come over here. Hey.
It feel like banana. Jamaican bamboo feel like banana. I got something good.
Life is a process. Everything takes time. You know what I mean? Don't rush it. The whole I will still try to figure out life. Just think about what you love the most, what you do the best.
Today, Enoch cook one of the most beautiful meals we ever get cooked in Jamaica. Enoch are the best chef. Enoch cook some of the most beautiful meals we ever get cooked. This are some beautiful pumpkin. We're going to eat this with some bread with Mama make. So this is Enoch share out the food.